Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and where About Phone sits in settings so you know which menu to open. Once there, tap build number 7 times, you'll see a countdown and then a confirmation prompt. Enter your lock PIN if requested. Make sure to look under System or Additional Settings for developer options because manufacturers place it differently. This step unlocks advanced controls. It's quick and reversible, so don't worry about permanent changes yet. Once developer options are visible, switch the main toggle to on so individual settings become editable. Next, enable USB debugging to allow ADB connections. If you plan to flash or unlock, enable OEM unlocking, but note this may void warranties. Make practical adjustments, reduce window, transition, and animator animation scales to 5x or off for faster testing, and enable stay awake if you need the screen on while charging. These choices balance convenience with security, so make sure you understand each toggle. You finish by verifying connectivity. Plug the device into your computer, run ADB devices, and accept the RSA key prompt on the phone to authorize the host. Once your work is complete, revoke USB debugging authorizations and consider toggling developer options off to restore default security posture. If something goes wrong, one troubleshooting step is to confirm you tapped the correct build number entry. Check both About Phone and software information. Enterprise or parental controls can block activation, so check those settings too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.